Hi, good day. Let me give you a tour on how to navigate to Learning Management System. Simply enter your username and password, then click Login or press Enter on your keyboard to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to the website dashboard. From here, look for the 2025 Computer-Based National Career Assessment Examination and click on it to begin. Once you click, you will be directed to the Your Progress page. Here, you'll find an introduction to the National Career Assessment Examination. To begin, simply scroll down and proceed to Part 1, General Information. To begin answering the General Information section, click the Answer the Questions button. Make sure you have reviewed the instructions before proceeding. Now let's walk through the process of entering sample data into the system, step by step. Follow along carefully to understand how each field should be completed before moving on. At the bottom of the page, you'll see 3 navigation buttons: Previous Page, Next Page, and Cancel. Click Previous Page if you need to go back and review or edit the information you entered on the previous section. Click Next Page to proceed to the next part of the form after completing all required fields on this page. Click Cancel if you don't want to proceed. Once you've completed all the questions, click the Submit Your Answer button. You will then be directed to a confirmation page where a green pop-up message will appear, saying, "Your answers have been saved. Thank you." To continue answering the assessment, click on Next Activity, located at the lower right corner of the page. This will take you to the next set of questions in the examination. You can now navigate through one set of questionnaires at a time until you complete the entire examination. Take your time, answer carefully, and make sure each section is finished before moving on. To log out, simply click the drop-down menu located at the upper right corner of the page, then select Log Out from the options. You have now completed the walkthrough of the Computer-Based National Career Assessment Examination process. Remember to review your answers before submitting, and ensure you've logged out properly once finished. Thank you for your time and participation. Best of luck on your assessment and future career journey.